Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got picked up this little 12-foot John boat here, and we're gonna strip it and do a full makeover and start taking it apart. Alright, we got the first seat off. Let's get the second one off. Maybe. Alright, we got our wrenches, guys. See what we got here. Looking like a 10 mil. Boom. That's what it is, a 10 mil. So we can undo that, get this chair off. All the bolts. Chair's off. That's how you do it. Get this shit out of here. I'm gonna throw this in the dumpster. This thing's got a mount and screws in it, so we're gonna start taking screws out. Well, it sure wasn't going anywhere, but it's got to go. All right, guys, so we've got an update here. I dropped the bunkers and got it riding low as possible on the trailer. Now it looks like it actually fits on the trailer. And we've replaced the tail lights that were damaged. We got brand new tail lights on there. Yeah, this is the YouTube project here. She's shaping up. This is a 12-foot flat bottom. Okay, guys, so we've got the boat here, and we've got our DeWalt sander, and we're gonna start sanding this. We already did this edge all the way around the whole boat. We get a walk over. We already did the whole edge, and now we're gonna do this side here all the way down, and let's get to it. Sandpaper's a little bit worn out. We're gonna put a fresh piece on. This is 80 grit. More 80 grit. Got our fresh piece on. And let's continue. Now guys, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe, because valuable tips on how to do work like this is what I'm bringing you. So appreciate it when you hit that subscribe button.